Good afternoon, explorers. We're here today at Animal Kingdom, and we're going to be making another ride day video. Going on based on wait times. Looks like Rapids, Kilimanjaro Safari, possibly Everest. We're going to go make it in Pandora World. We only have 3 hours. We got here a little late today, so we're going to get in there. Let's quit talking. Let's go explore. You guys know how much I like to walk and talk, but I want to make sure I get the tree as I'm walking. So we haven't been in here in a while.
Thanks for visiting us today. For the health and safety,
We're gonna have a blast today. We're gonna kind of run through, get a lot of stuff in this video. We're gonna jam pack it in. So let's go do some fun stuff. There it is. Tree of Life. And look, Disney copied us. Wilderness Explorers. Try being Florida Park Explorers. Call me. I'm hoping it gets dark right as we're getting ready to leave. This place, when it's with Christmas lights at night, it's really nice. Park closed at 5 today. So we're crossing the bridge, going over to Safari, and in the background, that's Everest. Let's go ride some rides. I want to go get on Safari. So we are going to get on Safari, Kilimanjaro, and we are going to, hopefully we have a safari guide today that is decent. Kind of like the Jingle Cruise people. Like, the last guy we had on Jingle Cruise was hilarious. We're gonna put a link in the, did I do a Jingle Cruise? I think I did Jingle Cruise. If I did, I'll do a video right here, or a link. But if you get a good tour guide, they totally get it, and the jokes are funnier, the tour goes better. They tell you a lot of cool stuff. We've been on this, I don't know, a couple dozen times. I think I always learn something different, which is cool because it's not all the same script. By it not being the same script, you get different information. So, kind of neat. We'll show you some more of the queue as we get along. By the way, they backed up.
New world with many new things to see and even more new things to hear. A nighttime safari is very different from a daytime safari. A number of animals appear that you
Look at that. Isn't it the best thing you've ever seen? It's the invisible gilly monster. Wow, do you see it right there? Wait, look really, really hard. Look really hard.
welcome aboard.
Jump on. Let's see what kind of footage we can get for you guys today. Hopefully animals are cooperative. Now, I admit I'm not the smallest dude in the world, but I legitimately can't actually stand normal in the queue. And if I turn, my backpack will hit. This is a tight queue, or a tight load. This is kind of funny, actually. I'll show you when I get on the safari vehicle. This is friggin' hilarious. You can probably see the rails up here and here, but this is fantastic. Oh well. Fat guy in a little booth. Fat guy in a little booth. So this may give you a better idea. Like how wide it is. It's just hilarious. She said row 5. I almost was like, is that bad? All right, here we go. And there it went. Leaving now. Here we go. I'm gonna take that as a sign.
Carry booty.
All aboard. So there it is. We just finished up. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Super full of different animals today. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a lot of animals today. Kind of like super happy with the amount of interaction that we had. We saw like everything. So, in good positions, good everything. Fantastic. So if you guys haven't done it in the past, definitely jump on Kilimanjaros when you come in. If not, hey, you rode it before. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's go ride something else. Let's go. When you come off the ride, there's Gorilla Falls. That is Gorilla Falls. It's an exploration trail. We'll go on that on another day. I want to go get some rides done. So you guys wanted more rides. Gotta do it by wait time, because if not, I won't get anything done. So when it's 74 degrees-ish, overcast in Florida, you know what ride doesn't have a long wait time? The rapids. I'm gonna go get wet for you people. I'm gonna go jump in, get wet, see what happens. So we're going on the rapids. No backpack. Hopefully we don't get totally soaking wet. But it is humid out, so it is what it is. A 10-minute wait probably means 2-minute wait. Wonder if they're gonna give me my own boat. I know when I did it with Jen and Belle, we did have our own boat. So, but as you can see, just zipping through the queue. Oh, we're gonna wait up here. Nope, we're not. We're gonna go right inside the building. So,
please abide by the queue markings, maintain physical distancing, and use that.
we're gonna show you a little bit more of the queue.
Thank you.
I mean, there's nobody here. I can legitimately stop and show you everything. It's a really cool queue. There's tons of stuff, tons of theming. I'm gonna walk through slow and just kind of give you a little tour. There's so much of the queue not being used, I've never gone this way.
Thank you for choosing Body Rapids Expeditions. We hope your journey will show you a world that is truly worth saving.
Yeah, I'm gonna get soaking wet. Yeah, it says it right there. You're gonna get soaked. Thank you. Oh yeah, this is a walk-on. No line at all. No line at all. All right, I'm gonna get situated and buckled in, and then I will get back on. Oh yeah, I'm getting soaked. There we Woohoo! Oh no! Oh no! So there's a Maharaja jungle trek. We're gonna come back and do a walking tour, because that's a huge one. And then there's the one when you get off of Kilimanjaro. So we're gonna definitely come back and do a walking tour day. Just finished up on the rapids. Gonna go back, get our bag, see what the wait times are. This is one of the places where they have monkeys if the monkeys are out. I don't see any monkeys. Let's go look around. Ladies and gentlemen, Everest. It's looking for like a 45, 50 minute wait right now. And it's 10 to 4. And it's raining. So I may go over, shoot some exterior footage of that. And then we'll come back. It's really starting to pick up raining. I may start heading towards the car because there's only an hour left. I'm getting dumped on right now. Let's see if it passes by the time I get up towards the front. So we had a good time. I got soaked on the ride. I got soaked in the rain, like who cares? But by the time I go stand in line and do something else, frankly, park's gonna close. So I'm gonna actually head on out of here and duck the rain a little bit and not ruin some camera gear. But just to kind of show you around, crowd levels are way down because it's raining. When it rains in the parks, everybody knows it's time to go. And I'm no different. I didn't bring rain gear today. It wasn't supposed to rain today. It was supposed to be overcast and nasty. But this is David with Florida Park Explorer saying, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope we had a good time today. Hope you enjoyed what we did. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Contest going really well. We need you guys to get it out there. We want to give away some prizes. We want to give away prize packages. We want to do some stuff. But this is David with Florida Park Explorer saying, have a great day. Let's get out of here. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share the video. We need all the help we can get right now as we grow our channel. And again, thanks for watching.